Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are all good. What if your laptop didn't just run apps but actually did your work for you? NVIDIA just announced something called RTX Spark, and it's just not another processor. It is a super chip designed to turn your PC into an AI powered teammate. In collaboration with MediaTek, RTX Spark is powered the next wave of Windows PC experience. NVIDIA has already lined up a notable list of partners for the RTX Spark: Acer, Asus, Dell, Gigabyte, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, and MSI. All are slated to release system based on this chip this year. And Microsoft, in particular, who has been working closely with NVIDIA to bring another ARM CPU vendor into the fold, with the release of Surface Laptop Ultra as their new flagship Surface laptop. And honestly, this could be the biggest shift in personal computing in 40 years. So, what exactly is RTX Spark? RTX Spark is NVIDIA's all in one chip designed specifically for the AI era of computing. Instead of separate components like CPU, GPU, and AI accelerator, it combines everything into a single unified system. You can just think of Apple Silicon but on steroids and built for AI from the ground up. NVIDIA calls this as personal AI computing platform, where your laptop stops just being a tool and becomes an intelligent assistant. Let's talk about the insane power inside this thing. Up to 6144 CUDA cores called Blackwell GPUs. CUDA means Compute Unified Device Architecture. It has 20 core ARM based Grace CPU, up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory, and you can get 1 petaflop of AI performance. That's the kind of compute power you are expect from a mini supercomputer put inside a thin laptop. It's even said to perform around a level of RTX 5070 laptop GPU, but with very high efficiency. Now here's the real revolution. RTX Spark is built for something called agentic AI, which means AI does just response to the commands. It actually takes actions for you. For example, your PC could write codes, edit videos, manage tasks across apps, and analyze files automatically. And it will be doing it locally without the cloud. NVIDIA even says you will go for clicking apps to just asking your computer what you want. Some experts believe this could even replace mouse and keyboards over time. So what can this actually do? Creators can edit videos in 12K, renders massive 3D scenes, AI video in 4K. Developers can run local AI models up to 120 bytes parameters, build AI apps without cloud cost. Gamers can do ray tracing, DLSS, and reflex, AAA gaming at 100 plus FPS, all on a thin and portable laptop. Here's where to get even more interesting. RTS Spark is deeply integrated with Microsoft and Microsoft AI features. This includes Copilot Plus integration, AI agent built into the OS, and new memory for performance optimization. Basically, Microsoft is evolving into a AI native operating system. So you will start seeing RTS Spark in Microsoft Surface laptops and in vendors like Dell, HP, Asus, Lenovo, and MSI devices with ultra thin design up to 14 millimeters and all day battery life, and the availability is expected fall 2026. So this is just not a new chip, it's Nvidia entering into the fight with Intel, AMD, Apple, and Qualcomm. Earlier Qualcomm was the only player available for the Windows platform for the ARM based technology. Now in partnership with MediaTek, Nvidia is entering into the ARM based technology for the Microsoft. And more importantly, this could be shifting from app based to AI driven workflows and from manual tasks to automated systems. Some analysts even compare this moment to the rise of smartphones. So here's the bottom line. RTS Spark is not just for faster laptops, it's about changing how we interact with computers entirely, from clicking and typing to asking and automating. And if NVIDIA gets this right, your next PC won't just run software, it might actually think and work alongside you. As you can see here, my MediaTek is collaborates with NVIDIA on RTX Spark to power the next way of Windows PC experience. step into the new era of Windows PC. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, please do let me know, as this is even in the starter. So even along with the laptops, NVIDIA is launching a workstations, servers, and the personal computing, it's also. So if you like this content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any queries. Thank you for watching. Thank you, friends.